In this paper, we propose a new face swapping mask called Face Shifter, which can generate high-fidelity and occlusion-free face swapping result. A typical face swapping task is to take the identity from the source face while all other attributes like head, pose, facial expression, lighting, and background from the target face to generate a new face. It has a wide application potential. Like in Furious 7, the Vita Digital used this technology to continue filming after the unfortunate accident, or it could be used for privacy protection in an online chat or online meeting. There are some common problems in previous methods, like in row 1, the lighting detail around nose area is wrong, and in row 2, the face shape should look like source face, but in some previous methods, it actually comes from target face, and in row 3, it just cannot generate high-resolution result. Face Shifter utilizes a novel two-stage framework. In the first stage, it will generate a high-fidelity face swapping result, while in stage 2, it will refine stage 1 result, especially handle those occlusions that has done wrong in stage 1. One of the main improvements in stage 1 is the AAT layer. We will introduce it in the next page. AAT layer was made of 3 parallel branches. First, in attribute branch, it used a spade-like way for attribute integration. Second, it used an ADA-in-like way for identity integration. Moreover, it also learned a mask to adaptively adjust the effective regions of the identity embedding and the attribute embedding. Then, we simply replace every batch normalization layer with the AAT layer in a standard RIS block to get an AAT RIS block. Here is the visualization of a typical attentional mask. Brighter means more identity information, and vice versa. Just like we will presume, the identity branch have focused more relative on synthesizing the face part that are most discriminative for distinguished identity. For example, the eyes, the mouth, and the face contour. We have also found that identity embedding are mostly effective in low and middle level features. The next stage is Hairnet, which stands for Heuristic Error Acknowledging Refinement Network. Heuristic error comes from an important observation. Reconstruction result and swapping result of the first stage network tends to make the same mistake. Like the hair in the woman's face, it becomes transparent, and the bead in the man's face, they just disappear. Luckily for us, we know the ground truth when doing reconstruction, which is the target face itself. If we do a simple subtraction between the target face and the reconstruction result, the error region will stand out. That's why we call reconstruction error as a heuristic error, as it gives guidance to the network while need refinement. Here are some examples showing the strong capability of Hairnet. Like in column 1, it repels the medal in the man's hand, and in column 5, the helmet that woman wears, and in column 9, the floating text among the woman's face. And we also found that Hairnet can repel the shifted color in a certain degree. Finally, we want to address our mask was subject agnostic. One string, it can be used on any pair of faces. It also has strong generalization ability. Those wild face results show some circumstances that have never appeared in training set, like the face in an oil paint, the face in a grayscale photo, and the face in an old photo. Here, we show a video of morphing from different superhero using Face Shifter. It indeed has some artifact, but consider that our mask was not trained on this target, and it didn't use any temporal information. It just frame by frame processing. The result look very impressive. By the way, we want to address face shifter can be detected by our new defect detection mask, face X-ray. Check the paper of face X-ray for more information. Finally, we can come to the following conclusion. Face shifter can produce high-fidelity face swapping result. It can handle facial occlusion without any supervision, and it is subject agnostic. One string can be used on any pair of face. Remember to check our paper for more detail. Thanks for watching.